happening, homeboy? Hey there.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
Hey, beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
One of the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here for you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
So let's rush it. If we wanna handle it tonight, we'll discuss it. On the niggas' time and the niggas' place. The boys looking out my face. This is a shiesty motherfucker.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality shit right here.
Ah, you a scrapper then.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there. Who you think you touching, homeboy?
And the niggas
God damn.
just in case one of the boys looking out my face. Cause he's a
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussy. Ooh, wee. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
creep with me.
Them white boys had me on crystal meth.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers. Can't hurt me, nigga. I'm a real
Hey, you got business here?
What you slept on, fool? You can sleep, motherfucker. You ain't got no scraps. Get out of my way. What's happening, boy? Don't block me, homie.
You got scraps, huh, bitch?
Get out my face.
Oh, you think you whore?
Kick him.
What's your problem now? It's me.
Who you think you touching, homeboy?
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
Niggas are game time, and now they wanna make a deal with me.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me. Time changed.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker. Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.